going to start on the D chord. I'm going to add our little finger on fret 3 on the thin E string. Back to the D chord, then middle finger off. And then you've got two other chords. So with the middle finger off, it's a D sus2. Sus stands for suspended. And then the little finger on fret 3 is a D sus4. The one famous riff is Summer of '69 by Bryan Adams, which combines all of these. You start with the middle finger off and you pick the 3 thin strings, starting from the thinner string going up. Middle finger on, little finger on, little finger off, middle finger off, back on. A chord, almost the same thing. So we've got a normal A chord on, little finger on, the B string this time, fret 3, makes it a sus4, A sus4. Third finger off makes it an A sus2. E major. Going to add a little finger underneath the sus4. Hi and welcome to this week's Drum Focus. So we're going to have a look at the 16 beat. So this beat is slightly different to all the other standard beats because we start with both hands on the hi-hat rather than crossed. Called the 16 beat because we're going to do 16 of something. So best thing to do to start this beat off is both hands on the hi-hat, and you're going to continuously play alternately right, left, right, left. So on the hi-hat, right, left, right, left. That's your first set of 4. Your next set of 4, you do the right on the snare, and then back, left, right on the hi-hat. And then you repeat those 8 you've just done. Right, left, snare, left, right, left. Then what we do, we add the kick on the very first hi-hat, the right we do there. And then we don't do a kick when we hit the snare. And that's the 16 beat. Up to speed. Faster. Now, the thing I really like about the 16 beat, not only is it quite fast, you're doing quite a lot, and it drives the music, but because you are doing that right left motion, when you come to do a roll, you're already doing that at the right speed. Unlike a rock beat where you've maybe got to double what you do when going into a roll. So 16 beat, my right lefts will move nicely into a roll. Okay, piano and keyboard players, this week we're going to look at inverting chords and being able to move them easier or using less space to move. So when we first learn our chords, we learn the play 1, miss 1, play 1, miss 1, play 1. So we have this shape. Now if I wanted to play C, F, G, there's the C, up to the F, quite a big move, G, back to the C. So it's quite a big move, especially when we're using both hands. So what you can do is look at the 3 chords that are used, the 3 notes that are used in each chord. So in a C, you have a C, an E, and a G. So that means as long as I use those 3 notes, I can use them in any order. So I could do the normal C like we've done, with the C in the bottom. Now, I'm going to use the E, G and put the C at the top, and I have a different shape. Use different fingers, whatever you're comfortable with. Now I'll use the G, the C and the E like that. So they're all C chords, just inverted. They have a different note out of the 3 at the bottom. So now if I want to play C, F, G, I could finish like that with the C chord. Or instead of doing the F like an F, A, C in that order, from the C, I've got the C that's already there in the F chord. So I use that C and I move to F, F, A, C. And the same with the G. A lot less moving. So try that with those 3 chords, the C chord, an F chord and a G chord. Hello vocalists. So this week is very difficult. We're going to count from 1 to 5. So a picture's going to come up, you're going to see the numbers, and they're set out in a certain way, and with the song, nice little tune, but makes it a bit of a thinker to be able to sing. So the tune goes do 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 do. You're going to repeat that, but you're going to count from 1 to 5. The rule is you have to carry on counting. As soon as you hit 5, you go back to 1 and just keep going. Now, if you look at the picture, the numbers are laid out 5 numbers, 5 numbers, 4 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers. So then it starts changing up the way you have to go. So I've wrote down the first 2 sets and you're trying to carry on. So it would fit like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1.